Hi, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Brother Scan and Cut DX electronic cutting machine. If this is your first time here, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. If you're returning, welcome back. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to my creative corner. This is Claudette. Let's go ahead and open this box. I also want to share with you 5 reasons why I chose to get an electronic cutter. And one of the biggest reasons why I got this electronic cutter is because I want to be able to cut my stamp images out. Not every stamp set comes with dies or punches. So, and also those dies and punches could be very costly. So in the long run, this machine is going to pay for itself. The measurement on this machine is 20.9 by 8.4 by 6.8, and that's in inches. And one thing I noticed about this machine is that it's not light at all. They claim to be the only machine or the only home and hobby device that has a built-in scanner. As I am unboxing this package, guys, I want you to take note of how well packaged this product was. I was very impressed with the packaging. It was individually wrapped down to the manuals and also the user's guide. The movable pieces were individually taped down. This is just to ensure that your product arrives to you in immaculate conditions. You can create right out of the box. If you take a look at the image of the blue gift box, they provide the supplies to create this welcome project. The added thank you card I think was such a nice touch. You're going to see that you have a duplicate of 3 guides that comes in your packaging because they provide it in English, French, and Spanish. So you're going to get your starter guide, and look how nicely additional package this is in this clear wrapping. So within this wrapping, you're going to get your, they're going to provide a checklist that includes your accessories. You're going to get a quick reference guide. You're going to get your product safety guide. So they're also going to provide a form so you could register your product as well as your manufacturer warranty. I also want you guys to take note that the operation manual is not included, and you're going to need that for detailed instructions. So you have to go to the Brother Solution Center to download that information, and I'm going to go ahead and list that address here to the left upper corner for your quick reference. This model has an auto blade sensor that detects the thickness of the material, so there's no need to adjust the blade based on the material type, which is the second reason why I chose this particular model. It cuts material up to 0.1 inch thickness, such as paper, vinyl, fabric, balsa wood, chipboard, foam, and felt, just to name a few. Now on this clear plastic wrapping, they provide the standard tack adhesive mat, which is 12 by 12 in inches, as well as they provide the cardstock for the sample gift box that you're going to be creating. And that sample sheet is a navy, and it's also a 12 by 12 inch sheet. So if you provide classes, this is going to save on effort and time, especially when you're creating multiples. And this is the third reason why I decided to get this machine. If you guys are getting any value from this video so far, go ahead and smash the like button down below. I just cannot rave enough on how well packaged this product came. Look at the cord, how it came in its own individual box, as well as a clear plastic wrapping. This Brother Scan and Cut was purchased by my husband as a gift to me from Amazon. Check out the link in the description down below. It has a ton of great reviews. So let's get to the meat of the matter and look at the actual machine. You always want to double check, make sure there's no extra thing left behind in your boxes. Take a look at the beautiful tape work that they have done to secure those movable pieces in the back. And that's the back tray that comes out. Now they provided an added value accessory which includes 3 pattern collection activation cards. And in those 3 cards, they provide a pattern collection greeting cards, a pattern collection flower and Valentine's, as well as a pattern collection birthday activation card. And that was nicely taped on there to the top of the machine. So this machine has a nice, clean, sleek design. I love the gray and blue color, but you're going to need a lot of room on your surface area for this machine because it has a tray that opens up in the back as well as the front, and that's going to feed your mat from front to back. They also have those legs to protect your surface area as well as give that machine balance. The fourth reason why I wanted the Brother Scan and Cut machine is because you could select exactly how much border you want left around your image. You could say no border, you could say 0.1 inch of a border, so you could select precisely how much border you want left, as well as you get an even cut each time. So if you're crafting and you use dye, you know sometimes when you use your dyes you don't have that precise cut. Sometimes it comes out uneven. So this helps you save on not being wasteful. This device comes with 1 year limited warranty, but with a free customer phone plus online technical support for the life of the product. So let's go ahead and plug this in. When you guys get a moment, check out the link down below in the description for additional specs I may have left out during this video. I do a majority of my crafting at night, and this particular model claims to whisper quietly while it cuts. We will put that to a test, but that will be in another video. So now on your 5-inch LCD touchscreen display is where you'll be doing all your editing. So on our front panel, we have a guide to how we load our mat, and that is nicely secured down with tape. And if you notice, they have a shock protective guard to protect this product while it was in shipping. And that tells me a lot about a company that they value their products as well as their customers. The carriage on the left is for a pen holder, and the pen holder that is included is black. So my fifth reason, and one of my biggest reasons for getting this machine, is all about creativity. Being able to create your own designs. This machine comes with 682 built-in designs, 100 including quilting, patterns, and 9 fonts. Within our front tray, we have 2 compartments. In the first compartment, we have a pouch that's holding our spatula, a stylus pen, as well as an auto blade holder which is in black with its blade installed, as well as a protective cap. In the second compartment, it houses the color pen which is in black. Our tray accommodates 12 by 12 and 12 by 24 cutting mats plus 12 by 12 scanning mats, and those are in inches. The width of the scanning area plus the cutting area is 11.7 inches. This device has USB port and wireless capability, so you have the option to connect it to your internet, your computer, or your mobile device. The 2 levers that comes to the side of the machines, you would have to adjust that depending on the thickness of the material, and the computer itself would let you know what level to put that at. I am super excited about this machine and I can't wait to use it. I just wanted to do an unboxing so you can see the details and perspective of how it looks. Thanks for checking out this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried this model before and if you have any feedback. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you in the next video.